So once I've installed and activate those Elementor and its add-on plugins, I also highly recommend you to install the other functional plugins for your WordPress website that can make your website so much better. So just quickly go to the plugins. I'm gonna show you those plugins. So they are total 6 plugins that I highly recommend. The first one is the custom Twitter feeds. This will allow you to add your Twitter feeds onto your website. It also enable you to add widgets that you can furnish on your sidebar and the footer area. So make sure you install it, and this is the developer name Smashballoon. So also you can see the plugins that I've installed for Elementor. So the second one is the Facebook Messenger live chat. It is a very nice plugins that you need to have that is provided by ABcours. So this plugin also will provide you extra features such as the sticker note on your website that can boost your call to actions. So I'm going to show you how this ABcours that will help you build up sticker notes that to increase your call to action. So even sales, it allows you to post your ads or your products onto your website or any other web pages. For example, this one, you can just put in a sticker note beside it to allow visitors to follow you on YouTube channel. And there's another website I want to show you. So as you can see, so I've put in some of the sticker note, or we call it the ads, beside it to boost your call to actions. So just make sure you install this Facebook Messenger live chat provided by ABcours. So the third one is Instagram feed. It is also provided by the similar plugins for the Twitter feed by Smashballoon. And next one is the ABfours companion provided by TeamCell. This plugin will provide extra features on your Elementor plugins that you can put in more elements onto your website to make it so much nicer. The next one is the Shortcodes Ultimate. This is very important. You need to install this plugin because it will help you to add many things on your widgets, which I'm going to show you later on. So this is provided by Vladimir Anokin. So the final one is the Super Socializer provided by TeamHeater. So Super Socializer will allow you to add more social network icons onto your post, sharing icons and stuff. So make sure you've installed all those plugins that I have recommended you. So if you get lost on those plugins that I recommend to you, in the next lecture I will provide you a list of plugins that you need to install onto your WordPress website. So with all these plugins, we will able to design our WordPress website and customize it in terms of presentation, the graphics, the illustrations, and it will make your website a dynamic web page. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.